Welcome to ER-to-Table, Relationship Translation. Today, we will master how to turn abstract relational diagrams into real, functional database tables. One-to-one relationships offer 4 design choices. We can merge them into one table, link them with a foreign key in either direction, or create a lookup table. For one-to-many relationships, like department to employees, we map the relationship by placing a foreign key on the many side. Let's look at the logical diagram. Here is how that compiles to tables. The employee table receives a new field, department ID, referencing the primary key of the department table. Many-to-many relationships, like students and courses, cannot be mapped using simple foreign keys inside either entity. We must build a new bridging table. This new junction table contains the foreign keys from both entities. Combined, they form a robust composite primary key that prevents duplicate pairings. To recap, one-to-one has 4 options. One-to-many places the foreign key on the many side. Many-to-many always demands a new associative table.